Bitcoin did a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from the previous video, we bounced off that $20,000 level perfectly, and we mentioned the fact that Bitcoin could be looking to A, do a bar formation, and B, do a head and shoulder formation. Right now, you can see that we did invalidate the head and shoulder formation. We actually broke above the head over here, and a continuation pattern is looking like to play on Bitcoin overall. We did see a very nice bullish momentum candle breaking right above that 20.2 level. Here you guys can see we saw this nice move set breaking above these exponential moving averages, and I mentioned this to you guys before that when Bitcoin breaks above the exponential moving averages and starts to use them as support, things become extremely bullish. You don't want to be trading against the trend when we have something like that. You can see the same thing over here. We broke above these exponential moving averages, continued pushing higher until we saw the break formation. Just because we see that little break formation, we want to get that confirmation below the exponential moving averages. You don't want to mistake a small pullback for an opportunity to continue higher and entering those positions to get wrecked. What you would like to see is something like this, where we actually have a clean break, that retest, and then that confirmation to the downside. And you can see exactly how well the exponential moving averages play with Bitcoin. As of right now, though, I do want to see a retest around this 20.7 level, use it as support, and then that continuation. We just aren't seeing that sort of pullback opportunity just yet. I would expect maybe one last wick to the upside, grab that liquidity around 21.6, and then that continuation down. Now, you guys know that I have been mentioning this overall BART formation on Bitcoin for quite a while, and it does look like it is going to play now. We did mention this inverse BART formation all the way from down here, and then that continuation. And right now, the next take profit level would be around that 22.8, assuming we hit that level. The reason for that, of course, as you can see, that's pretty much where that move started from. Around this 22.8, we saw this massive move to the downside. So ideally, Bitcoin will probably slowly ladder up to that position and hit that level overall. Now, on the lower time frames, you can see that for Bitcoin, we are pretty much still right above those exponential moving averages. We did see some sort of pullbacks, but you can see how perfectly it plays right over here. We are seeing some bearish engulfing candles form on the hourly time frame, so that's why I'm saying I would like to see a retest on these levels once more, possibly retesting like this, and then that continuation. From the bearish case scenario, obviously, if this is the local top and we do break these exponential moving averages and the support at 20.7, this is going to be a very key level for Bitcoin. Since I started making these videos overall for Bitcoin, though, you guys know that the 20.7 level has been a major factor for us to know whether or not we are bullish short-term or bearish short-term. So ideally, just keep a very close eye on that. We did expect a break formation. Of course, you guys know we did have the third test confirmation, and the third test confirmation usually leads into a breakout formation. We've taught that many times to you guys. So you can see that as soon as we got the confirmation right over here, this was an opportunity to enter a long position. When you're trading these sort of breakouts, 9 out of 10 times, you know the fact that we are possibly going to be hitting this resistance level. That's why it's a very good idea to actually look for that trade, enter that resistance level, and then play on the breakout. Worst case scenario, you can close the trade right at this resistance and then continue forming to the downside, but at least you will lock in those profits leading up to it. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have